Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to look at the other part of connecting your page to a CSS file or loading a CSS file in your page. So in our last video, we talked about how you can connect your external CSS file to your page. Remember, I told you guys that we have three ways of using CSS in our document. One of those ways is by connecting it to an external file, which we did in the last video. So in this video, quickly, we're going to look at the other two options where we can load our CSS file from the same file as the HTML and also code it as an external file. So let me just comment this out. So I'll just comment that out. So if I click and refresh, you see the CSS no longer working. So right now we are going to show the CSS using the internal style. So if you want to load the CSS with the internal style, what you do is there's an element called style. An element called style that helps us to do that. So yeah, I'll just copy what I have, what I had here, and paste it here. So let's save, guys, and see if this works out. So you can see basically we have the same thing. So the major difference between this and the one we did earlier is just that one is an external file, which is this. We created an external CSS file, then we linked it to our HTML document, but this one is almost the same thing, but we are not linking to any external style sheet or any external CSS style. Rather, we are loading the codes directly on the same page. So there's nothing different here, guys. It's just the way that we are linking it that is what's different. Let's change the color and make sure everything works. So let's change this color to green. So if I refresh, you see that we have green. So change this one to white. Since we have white. So guys, that's it. So this type of styling is called the internal styling. So now we are going to look at the last one, which is called the inline styling. The inline styling simply means you can write style for an element only. You can write style inside an element. For you to do that, there's what we call there's what we call there's a style attributes. So the style attribute allow us to write our style selectors. So this color, let's change into black. So let's save and see. Save and refresh. Oh, something is right. Oh yeah. I got something wrong. Sorry about it. So you can see, guys, the color has changed because we specified the color black here. And you'll be wondering, but we already specify a generic color for the body. Why is this black color taking precedence? Now, when the document loads, when the browser goes through your HTML codes, it loads any style codes it sees as an inline style. So what I'm trying to explain is in the order of precedence, inline style loads first. So your inline style loads first, your internal style loads second, and then your external style loads lastly. So if the document loads and look for external inline style, doesn't see inline style, it will look for the external style. If it doesn't see the internal style, then it will then check for a link to an external style. So when it sees that external style, it will read those CSS codes and interpret them based on the selector they are styling for. So guys, this is basically how you can link you can write CSS code on your HTML document. So it's either you do it the external way, you do it the internal way, or better still, you do the inline way. Now a quick question is, can we use CSS in this three way in one document? The answer to that question is yes. You can call or you can use the CSS in this three way on one document. Now, depending on the problem you're trying to solve, depending on the project at hand. But I would advise that it is good that you stick to one. So it's either you use an external style sheet, which is highly recommended. So it's highly recommended that you always put your style sheet in one document and call them from them. Then if you feel you want something simple or something easy for you to write, you can use the internal styling, or better still, you can use the inline styling. So guys, this is all we got for this video. I want you to go back and practice this stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.